Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make Ein and Pierce in Gacha Club. First, open the Gacha Club app and navigate to the character creation screen to begin with Ein. Select a standard male body type, ensuring his height is set to about 65 units. For his skin, choose a light, slightly desaturated peach color, perhaps hue number 3, saturation number 7. Keep his initial pose simple like pose number 1 to make adding details straightforward. Now let's shape Ein's iconic hair. Choose a spiky, forward-swept bang style, like hair front number 68 in a rich, dark violet color. For the back hair, select a medium-length spiky style such as hair back number 105 using the same deep purple hue. Dress him in a plain, long-sleeved shirt, maybe top number 82, colored dark charcoal gray, along with simple black pants and boots. For Ein's eyes, select a sharp, narrow shape such as eyes number 92, with pupils set to a striking crimson or dark magenta like color number 20. Apply a thin, horizontal scar accessory, for instance face accessory number 6, positioning it carefully across his right cheek. Finally, choose a serious or determined expression, ensuring his brows are slightly furrowed to complete his focused look. This gives him an intense, memorable presence. Moving on to Pierce, select another standard male character, but assign him a noticeably lighter, porcelain-like skin tone, perhaps hue number 3, saturation number 5. His hair is very prominent. Choose a long, flowing style for both front and back hair, like front hair number 134 and back hair number 81. Color his hair a very pale, icy blue, similar to color number 26, to capture his unique aesthetic.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.